Hi, this is Kathy, the Quiet Cruiser. We kind of had a surprise last night at 8 o'clock. We got back to our cabin and got a letter saying we were going to be upgraded. So now we are in a balcony cabin, number 6427. I'm going to give you a little room tour. Pretty much the same. We've got the closets, 3 closets. This one's got a lot of hangers and a shelf on top, and then got another closet with just a couple of hangers, and you can't take hangers out of one, put it in the other because they're attached to the pole. Up on top we've got the life vests, and we've got a shelf down there, and then this last closet's got 4 shelves, and then we've got a full-length mirror. And then into the bathroom, it's pretty much the same as the last cabin. We've got it's a good sized shower. It's plenty big for us. Just pulled the shower curtain out of the way so it's not in the way. Got the standard toilet. And then the standard mirror. It's got a lot of space in here. 3 shelves on each side. And a lot of room on the sink. And then this is the temperature gauge there, and you don't need to put a credit card in to keep your lights on in this room. This room we've got a sofa, and then we've got our beds, and you can make that into one queen. Got a good sized makeup mirror and lots of space. We've got 4 drawers, and the top drawer has got we've got my ducks in here that we're going to hide later, and we got the hair dryer. We've got one plug right over here, and we always bring one of these plugs with us so we can plug everything in. And then there's a plug actually behind the TV if you look there. So we brought an adapter for that to plug our USBs into. Teeny TV, and it's hard to see close to the balcony because it's in setback so far. I think they need to mount it on the wall. It would be easier. In this cupboard we've got the safe, and you use magnetic strip. We just brought an old Royal Caribbean card with us, and we use that to lock it. You just slide it across. And we've got some fruit, and we've got another mirror here. And the walls are magnetic. We put our itinerary on here with magnets, and this is a little whiteboard that we use to leave messages to each other. And then we've got our balcony, which I'm really excited about. You unlock it up here, and then you push it out. It's a beautiful day outside. We've got 2 chairs and a little table out here. It's a little windy outside too. So anyway, that is our tour, room 6427 on Carnival Freedom.